Hello guys, welcome back to Lytical Preps. Please, if today is your first time on visiting our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel so that we all enjoy tricky questions and more Olympiad math questions together. Thank you for doing that. So with this, I see that we have root x here. So we factorize one out. Okay. So factorize this one out. So we are going to get root x multiplied by root x, which is equal to 4. Okay, root x multiplied by x, root x, we are going to get x multiplied by x. Okay, so root x times root x, we are getting x, which is equal to 4. Now, x times x, we get x squared, and it's equal to 4. So x squared minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so now we are going to get x squared. This 4 you can express it as 2 exponent 2 and it's equal to 0. Now, in indices, we are having, or algebra, we are having a squared minus b squared. And this gives us a plus b into brackets a minus b. And we call it differences of two squares. Okay. Now, we can express our equation as differences of two squares. So x plus 2 into brackets x minus 2 and it's equal to 0. Okay, now x plus 2 is equal to 0 as the first case, then x minus 2 is equal to 0 as our second case. So now for case 1, we have x is equal to negative 2, and this we have s is equal to 2. Okay, so our x is equal to negative 2 or 2. Okay, now let's see if this solution satisfies the equation. Okay, so let's check to see if this solution satisfies the equation. So when x is equal to negative 2, our equation now becomes negative 2 root negative 2 multiplied by root negative 2, and this one should give us 4. Okay, so now this and this, we are getting negative 2. So negative 2 into bracket negative 2, and is equal to 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4, which is equal to 4. Now let's check when x is equal to positive 2. So we have 2 to bracket root 2 multiplied by root 2, and this will be equal to 4. This and this, we get 2 to bracket 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 2 is 4, which is equal to 4. So indeed, our solution, s is equal to 2 and s is equal to negative 2, satisfy the equation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to enjoy more questions from our channel. Bye-bye.